This video shows you how to take deposits and prepayments in iClarity. In the patient's record, go to the patient's sale. Click to highlight the sale with the outstanding balance, and then click on Enter Payment. Select the payment type being used to pay. In the number buttons, type in the amount the patient is paying. Click Confirm Amount. The amount the patient is paying will be entered into the payment confirmation box. When entering a deposit, the remaining balance to be paid will be displayed in the field next to the Confirm Amount button. Click Confirm Total. The payment screen will close. The deposit payment will have been entered against the sale, but the sale will still be red, as the whole balance has not been paid. When the patient returns to pay the balance, click to highlight the sale with the outstanding balance. Click Enter Payment. The amount remaining to pay will be shown. Select the payment type being used to pay the balance, and click Confirm Amount. Then click Confirm Total. The second payment will be recorded against the sale. The balance will be clear, and the sale line will now be white. Entering a deposit against more than one sale. iClarity has a Show Entire Balance button in the Enter Payments form. This will group together all outstanding balances. An example of when this might occur could be when there's an OCT on one transaction, an eye exam on another, and a dispense. iClarity will pay off the sales it can in full. And any remaining money will be paid against the sale it cannot pay off in full. Go to Enter Payments and click on the Show Entire Balance button. Now the sales are grouped together. Select the payment type and use the number buttons to enter the amount the patient is paying. Click Confirm Amount and Confirm Total. The eye exam and OCT have been paid off in full, and the remaining money has been paid off against the dispense, leaving a balance against the dispense. Entering prepayments. You can use this method to enter a payment onto iClarity, so the patient has a credit on their account that can be used to pay for products in the future. This can be useful for patients who want to build up a credit on the account to pay for spectacles in the future, or for practices who prefer to enter the dispense details onto iClarity after the patient has left, but need to take a deposit and provide a payment receipt whilst the patient is in the practice. You will first of all need to set up the system. In the Maintenance module, navigate to the Products tab. Complete the product code with prepayment and the description with prepayment. Product group and analysis type should be Other. The VAT category would be fully VATable, and the cost price and standard price should be 0. Now create a till button. In the Maintenance tab, go to MISC2. Click on the PLU Code Maintenance button and click on an empty till button. Start typing the product prepayment. Then select prepayment from the drop-down list. You can click on Select Button Colour to assign a colour, and then click Save Changes. You are now ready to enter prepayments on patient accounts. On the patient's record, go to Patient Sale, go to Create New Sale and select the Prepayment button. This will enter the details of the prepayment product down the right hand side of the Create New Sale screen. Leave the prepayment sale price as 0 and click Add to Sale, and then click Confirm Sale. On the Enter Payment screen, select the payment type the patient is using to pay, and using the number buttons, enter the amount the patient is paying. Click Confirm Amount. You will see the following warning message. Are you sure you want to enter an overpayment? Click Yes. And now click Confirm Total. This creates a sales line in the summary that will be highlighted green because the patient is owed money. Once you have entered a sale, you can use the transfer payment feature to move the money from the prepayment to the new sale. Tick the box next to the sale you would like to move the money to, and then click to highlight the prepayment line. Click on the Transfer Payments button, and then click Transfer. The balance on the dispense has now been reduced, and the prepayment line now shows 0 overpayment.